Cachet CBD Oil Drops, also known as CBD Tinctures, are a natural dietary supplement. Made from all natural flavoring, you will enjoy the great taste and aroma of these nutritious CBD oils. You can administer CBD drops underneath the tongue and let the drops sit. Under the tongue is a highly absorbing area in the mouth, best area to consume our product. If you have trouble getting the drops to absorb, simply swallow. Our CBD oil is the perfect addition to your day. Know that our product is made here in the United States. You're purchasing CBD oil from a valid and lab-tested source. The oil is derived from non-GMO hemp and is 100% organic. We'd also like to mention there were no herbicides, pesticides, chemical fertilizers, or any of that nature used when growing the hemp for this oil. There are absolutely, again, zero additives and zero preservatives in this oil. Please remember that our CBD oil is THC-free and full spectrum, featuring a nice peppermint flavor.